Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we have something truly special, an icon reborn. The legendary Hindustan Ambassador is making a grand comeback in 2025, blending its timeless heritage with modern innovation. The Ambassador has been an integral part of India's automotive history, and now, it returns with a fresh new look, cutting-edge technology, and a promise of comfort and reliability like never before. Starting with the design, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador keeps its classic charm intact while embracing a modern aesthetic. The iconic round headlamps remain, but now feature sleek LED lighting for a contemporary touch. The large front grille carries the Ambassador's signature bold presence, while the sculpted body lines give it a more dynamic stance. Chrome accents highlight its premium appeal, and the new alloy wheels add a refined edge. The rear has been completely redesigned, featuring LED tail lamps and a more aerodynamic shape, ensuring that it looks as good as it performs on the road. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends retro styling with modern technology. The dashboard retains a vintage-inspired look but comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Soft touch materials, leather seats, and ambient lighting enhance the luxurious feel. Comfort has been a top priority, with spacious seating and improved suspension making every ride smoother than ever. The safety features have also been upgraded, including multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, and advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Under the hood, the new Ambassador offers multiple powertrain options. A fuel-efficient petrol variant caters to traditional buyers, while a powerful hybrid model ensures better mileage and reduced emissions. There are also rumors of an all-electric version in the pipeline, making it future-ready. With a refined automatic transmission and improved suspension tuning, the 2025 Ambassador delivers a balanced mix of comfort and performance, ensuring it remains a top choice for both city commutes and long highway drives. The pricing is expected to be competitive, starting at around 15 lakh rupees for the base variant and going up to 25 lakh rupees for the fully loaded model. This positions it against premium midsize sedans and compact SUVs, but the real selling point here is nostalgia combined with modern-day practicality. For those who have grown up with the Ambassador or have always admired its presence on Indian roads, this new version offers the best of both worlds, heritage with advanced technology. That wraps up our first look at the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador. What do you think about this legendary comeback? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Road Ready Reviews for more in-depth automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.